Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky and today is super excited. I've been excited all morning to record this, and today the postman has come and he has delivered me a little package. So I'm really excited to open this one with you guys because this should be my new outdoor camera, which is waterproof. So when I go to the beach, which is dead close to where I live, I'm down there every other week, whether it's going for walks or going in the water itself, I can film things for you guys and hopefully we'll have some great footage to put on. So I'm really looking forward to this. So I've been paddleboarding, I've been kayaking down at the beach, I've gone coast-steering before, so hopefully I'll be able to capture some of that on this camera for you. So if there's something particular you want to see, comment below and I'll do my best to be able to film something like that for you. Last time we were in the sea, we were seeing jellyfish, we were seeing lots of crabs and fish, so this would be a great chance to be able to capture all that. Yeah, I'm really excited, so I've got to open this. Let's open this together. Okay, so let's open this because I'm super excited. So let's get in and see what it is. Here we go. So this is the Crosstour action camera. So it is the CT9000. It is 4K of Ultra HD, 170 degrees wide angle, and 120 minutes for battery life. And this also has the Wi-Fi added in on it. So let's have a little look inside, see what we can see. Okay, so we've got the instructions, and then, oh, it looks pretty nifty this, if I can get it out. So this is what it looks like. So that's great. Got the little attachment at the it's got the little attachment at the bottom there. Got the nice lens, all the buttons. Cool, okay. And then we've got the accessories in here as well. So can I take that out? Yeah. So that's empty now. Let's have a look at the accessories. If I can get in. Oh, cool. So let me lay it all out. Oh wow, we've got loads in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's everything. So, right, that must be the button. So we've got the camera and then we've got the filming button as well on that one. Oh, that's the battery, so that's fine, that can go to one side. Oh, a nice wrist strap. Oh, there's so many mounts. Okay. I'm going to have a look at these and then come back to you. So this camera actually comes with quite a few different accessories. So I've tried to lay them all on the table here, but I'll talk you through some of them. So we've got the button here. So we have the red bit is take a photo, and then the grey bit down the bottom is to take a video. Okay, we've got a back panel for the waterproof case as well with a couple of holes in it. We've got a mount that can then go on a tripod, and we have another one with a thread at the end as well. And then we've got some straps, so they're just Velcro those. So we've got 3 straps in total, and then we've got 2 which are much smaller straps as well without the buckle on. So these have got the buckle, these small ones haven't, they've just got the Velcro there. We've got 3 of these guys, they're all at slightly different angles. So as you can see here, this bottom bit goes the opposite direction. So there's 3 of those in total. We've got a clip. You can see there. There's a clip there. We've got a mount. So if you take the camera out of the case, this will then go around the camera. Okay. This is to go possibly on a bike, or maybe if I go paddleboarding, it might fit on the paddle. So I'll just have to see on that one and double check. Comes with 2 mount plates, and then there are 2 batteries. So I've already put one in the camera already, and this is the other one. And then it has the USB connector as well. So let's have a little bit of a closer look at the camera itself. So if I open it up here, so you can see, just opening it up, that then means we can take the back cover off. So it comes undone and the camera just comes out here. So this is what the camera looks like. So there's the power button on the front, and then we have an OK button on the top there. At this side, so this side we've got 2 buttons. The top one is for when you scroll in, that will go up, but it's also the Wi-Fi button as well. And the bottom button will be your down then. And then on the other side, you can see there, the big slot, the big tall one, is going to be where your SIM card goes. And then what we also have is how to charge it, and then you can connect it up to like a computer as well. So that is our little camera. So let's turn it on and have a see. So we'll just turn it on pressing the button at the front here, and we'll just watch as it opens. There we are, so you can actually see what it looks like already. So we've got different modes. So we've got the photo mode or the video mode. So this one at the moment is on video, so I could do a video straight away. Or if I wanted to change it, if I press this front button that's on the front there, that's same as the on. If I click that one, it will then change it over. You can see there it says photo at the bottom. Yeah. So let's show you where the battery compartment is. The battery compartment is actually on the bottom. So if I open it up here, I couldn't do it with my nails, so I have to use a knife carefully. Oh yeah. So that battery compartment comes off, and this is where your battery is. So that's your battery there, and it just slips into that hole. So put that back together. There we are, perfect. So to put this back into the case then, just put it in the right way, and then shut this back side up carefully. Pull the top all the way over, make it hook onto the back, lift it up, and then push it down on top. And then we've got the camera in its waterproof case. So I am super excited to get this camera up and running out at the beach, in the sea, taking some videos for you guys. So if you like this video and you want to also see some more cool videos in the water, if you press the subscribe button and click the notification bell, you guys will be able to see all the videos come up straight away as soon as they're uploaded if you press that notification bell. So I hope you guys have enjoyed unboxing this little cool Crosstour camera, and then all the accessories that it's come with, because there's quite a few here, which is brilliant. It's my first unboxing I've done with you guys, so hopefully there might be a few more in time to come. Yeah, I was super excited with this one, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you've liked it, then like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!